Enter the 2022 Silverado ZR2, Chevy's flagship off-road truck and the latest addition to our factory-lifted truck lineup.
Since 2019, we've been competing with a version of the Silverado ZR2 on some of the toughest desert courses in the country and leveraging what we've learned as we develop this new truck. Its off-road capabilities are truly confidence-inspiring. Our collaboration with Chad Hall Racing has been great, and we now have a portfolio of off-road trucks and motorsports parts and accessories developed on the track and available to customers looking for an authentic off-road experience. We have a philosophy when it comes to motorsports: race what you sell and sell what you race. The ZR2 race truck and the production ZR2 share most major chassis and drivetrain components, including the frame, transmission, transfer case, and of course, Chevy's legendary 6.2-liter V8 engine. As a trail runner or a rock crawler, this truck is fantastic. But ZR2 is not just a one-trick pony. After a full weekend off-roading, our customers can go to work or take their kids to school on Monday in comfort. This truck handles off-road driving confidently without sacrificing on-road handling or trailering capability. This combination of off-road performance, refined styling, and truck utility makes Silverado ZR2 a truly unique offering.
This ZR2 is impressive. We changed the ZR2 proportions to account for the tough off-road conditions. The front bumper design helps us increase the angle of approach to 31 degrees. Larger tires gave us an improvement in departure angle and more ground clearance. We increased the wheel travel in both the front and rear to really give this vehicle the freedom to accommodate rough ground. Add in the larger skid plates, and you have the confidence to travel over a variety of terrains. The ZR2 is the second truck in the Chevrolet lineup to feature the Multimatic DSSV dampers. They use spool valves, which are tuned to provide optimal shock control in all driving conditions. For the Silverado ZR2, we involved the damping system specifically for a full-size truck platform. Silverado ZR2 features a unique terrain mode with 2-speed transfer case. You can use it in 4-high on uneven roads and hills, but what's really awesome is using it in 4-low for rock crawling. With one pedal driving, as soon as the driver backs off the gas pedal, the vehicle actively begins to slow down. When engaged, while the vehicle's in 4-low, one pedal driving will cause the vehicle to slow to a complete stop when the driver takes the foot off the gas. This feature can turn a highly technical and complicated event into a confident control maneuver. The Silverado ZR2 features electronic locking differentials on both the front and rear wheels. If one of the wheels is unable to gain traction, the front and rear E-lockers ensure that maximum power is put into all the wheels, limiting slip.